Hi everyone, this is a resource that's called Equation Buster. It came to me from the NCTM comment threads. I'd like to give you a tutorial on how to use it. So I've got a level 1 equation set up and I'm going to get a new equation. So my first step is to recognize that negative m divided by 8. The step to solve this as a one-step equation is to multiply both sides by negative 8. I've chosen the multiply button, and then my slider will now let me, you can click this right here, yep. So we can click it over to multiply both sides by negative 8. There's my one step. I got double check marks that say that I got the solution correct. And, you know, it's one step. I did it in the one step. So maybe if I want some more practice with this, I've directed my students, go practice like 6 level 1 questions, something to that nature. There they have it. Refresh, new equation, new steps to follow. So in this one, 14e equals negative 56. I know that I have to divide in order to isolate e, and I'm going to divide by 14. This time the operation is changed, and I'm going to drag the slider up to 14. Play. There we go, we have it. E equals negative 14, that's the solution. By clicking on level 1 to level 2, we can see the complexity of the equation increase. Now we have a two-step equation, still in that nice and mild level of two-step equations. I'm going to choose level 3, and we can see that, oh, it's gone up in difficulty a little bit. Still meant to be, you know, a 2, maybe a 3-step equation, but not something terribly challenging. Actually, I'm going to do this one. I'm going to multiply both sides. I'm going to do this one because I see I could do a trick of multiply by negative 3. And, oh, it didn't do the top. What did I do here? I'm going to go back. I'm going to multiply by positive 3. Yeah, okay. I thought about how there's so many minus signs here and that this is meant to be a two-step equation if I can see the trick. So if I notice that I'm going to multiply by 3, it does all of the simplification of negative and negative is a positive, and then I'm going to add or subtract 9 from both sides. I wonder what result I'm going to get. Legitimately in new territory. It says completed in 3 steps. I did it in 2. What are we talking about? Okay. Level 8. Skip all the way to the end. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to do this one off camera. But there you have it. Equation Buster. I included the link to this in the description. And I hope you have fun using this with yourself for extra practice, but also that it's a good resource to put in front of your students. Thank you so much for watching.